Hi, Sayam.
Hey Divya, how's it
I'm
going?
sorry I'm 5 minutes late. Just let me adjust my tripod. Mm. Actually, I had a shoot today and that ended up like really late.
Yeah.
So I slept. I slept all afternoon. You won't believe I slept like in a black hole. इतना अच्छा नींद मैंने लिया है. So now I'm all ready for your life.
So that's great. That's great. Even I slept for like I think 14 hours today. I don't know how, why. I have no
Quarantine
idea.
में best. Quarantine में best चीज है. Best नींद अच्छी होती है. Everything is nice.
So happy to have you here, and so
Same
excited because so the whole team was working hard to understand your past, your journey in a positive way, that how you struggled and make sure where you are today. And
yeah.
we're so inspired. Like Himanshi was in the background working all the information about you, and Anurag and me were discussing that how we need to make sure this is our first live session for the fourth edition. We need to make sure that we know everything, and it's so inspiring that how you have driven and you have motivated so many people, and you've talked in your TED talks and stuff that how important it is to not be okay every day and not to be perfect every day, but at the same time inspire. That's what matters at the end.
So true. So true. My entire agenda of life, I have been like learning. I wouldn't say I've been acting or I've been doing this. It's purely learning. Be it people, be it countries, be it professions.
Yeah.
तो मेरे लिए बहुत ऐसे ऊपर नीचे रही है जर्नी, बट आई एम सो ग्लैड दैट एवरीथिंग हैपेंड because today whatever I am, I'm standing like straight and strong because of my experiences. तो मुझे पता है इससे बुरी चीज हो ही नहीं सकती है मेरे साथ.
That is so cool. That is so cool. But bringing on, I mean, we have a lot of questions. We have a lot of things to discuss about, and I'm 100% sure. I'm 100% sure that you can inspire a lot of people out here. But what happened yesterday about the mental health we're going to talk about? This is start like a glimpse as to send out the message out loud that how important that is and how important it is to talk to people and discuss. And sure, we all have struggle. Like you have struggle, I had struggle. We all go through. We are all human. But at the end, to discuss how important it is, what do you have to say about that?
Yeah, Sayam, I just have to say one thing. Nobody can be blamed or can be nobody can hold or blame for anything in your own life. You can
Sure.
help yourself is the best experience I can give to any problem in life.
Sure.
आई थिंक हमारे लाइफ में सबसे ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम यही है हमारी कि वी फॉरगेट आवर रूट्स एंड द मिनट वी फॉरगेट आवर रूट्स
Yeah.
the way we have come up, the way we have struggled, the way our parents have brought us up, or not just parents. For other people, it will be different. They can be inspired by teachers or by their role models. I think you should always remember that. And success or our industry, or be it any industry, comes with a lot of responsibility, a lot of doubt coming into it.
Yeah.
So you have to be already prepared. And what happened with Sushant, he was a friend, and we used to indirectly talk, but I never felt he is going through something, because I've been reading articles. I'm really pissed at some articles where they've been writing that he's a drug addict. He was a drug addict. And uski वजह से he was depressed and all. But I think he just needed that one assurance that yes, you will do well. That one assurance, be it from anybody. अगर तुम्हारे लाइफ में पेरेंट्स अगर नहीं तुम्हें इन सब चीजों में बोलते हैं, या अगर तुम्हारे बहन भाई तुम्हें नहीं पुश करते हैं, तो आई थिंक फैंस आर द बिगेस्ट पावर. And when you call fans the biggest power, they can also be the biggest problem nowadays, because people, they तुम कुछ भी कर लो, कुछ भी, there has to be. अच्छा, आपने ईस्ट बोला, आपने वेस्ट नहीं मेंशन किया, आपने नॉर्थ नहीं मेंशन किया, आपने साउथ नहीं मेंशन किया. They have complaints, zero tolerance. Any actor does anything. He did drive. तो लोगों ने इतनी गालियां दी है, इतनी गालियां दी है. They don't understand that it's not the actor who's doing it. It's the entire huge production behind it, planning all of this, working onto this since 6 months. तुम्हें पता है जब मैं पहली बार student of the year में थी as a background artist, that was my first time when I saw Karan Johar, Alia Bhatt, everybody around me, and there were like 5,000 more junior artists everywhere. तो मैं यही देख रही थी यार कि कितनी मेहनत लगती है इस चीज में, एक डायलॉग में they were like going on and on and on and on. एक लाइट इधर से उधर हो जाती तो उन्हें एकदम सब पागल हो गए थे. I'm like this is new for me. तो मैं देखती कि कितनी मेहनत लगती है, और मैं वहाँ पे कुछ 14 घंटे थी वो सेट पे, हील्स पे, एंड आई सॉ कि यार इसके बाद मुझे कोई फिल्म पसंद नहीं आएगी तो मैं बोलूंगी यार मुझे पसंद नहीं आई. But I will not say छी क्या एक्टर है, इसको एक्टिंग नहीं आती, ऐसा वैसा ये वो, she's flaunting her this, she's flaunting her that. I mean, I don't know. India has zero tolerance, and I only hate Indians for this reason. They don't appreciate what you do.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. I was also going through it, that how when you had the first shoot for Head and Shoulder, like you were always behind the camera, making sure.
Oh my God! You know all of this? I'm so shocked.
So that was inspiring, because obviously I'm always behind the camera and I understand how difficult it is. So I was working with Virat Kohli, and I had so it was really difficult time for him when he was going through Anushka and all. So we were working with him, and it was really hard phase. I understand how difficult it is for him. But there were a lot of people in the team who were like, "Sir, आप shoot time पे नहीं दे रहे, sir, आपको बोला एक shoot करने के लिए, sir." So you know the experience, and like you mentioned, it's really hard to correlate and to understand from another's perspective. Then it's very important to understand that everyone is not normal and everyone goes through something or the other thing.
Right. Yeah, one of my mama committed suicide, and we all in the family had no idea that he is going through something. Zero idea. In his note, he said, I had a lot of loan on me.
Yeah.
And I was pressurized, and I wasn't happy with my office life.
Yeah.
So I tried out to do some business, and that failed. So I am not able to live my life, and then so I did this. So I have seen that in a very small age, and that's why I knew that thing where my parents also kept telling me. उन्होंने तो मुझे ये कहा था कि दिव्या कभी शादी मत करना. There's no fun in marriage. They clearly told me this. And I always used to wonder, they are bloody married since so many years. उन्होंने भाग के शादी की है, तब and मुझे बोल रहे हैं कि you should never get married. So I never had this thing कि मेरे को boyfriend चाहिए या शादी करनी ऐसा वैसा. It happened, but I was like कि नहीं ये सब नहीं, मेरे को काम पे फोकस करना. So I have a few friends जो breakup की वजह से इतने ज़्यादा डिप्रेस हो जाते हैं कि उनकी पूरी लाइफ उधर ही रुकी हुई है. Like it's been years. They're stuck there, and they say that we have no purpose in life. How can anybody have no purpose in life? Yeah, you got to love something, and that something doesn't have to be a person, because people they come and go. They can never be permanent, no matter what. Parents, उनका भी कभी time आएगा, वो भी जाने वाले हैं. We always have that fear when we are growing up,
Yeah.
So it's just that you need to find something within yourself that you can have, and you can share for life, and be mad about it. So yeah, and everything falls in place then. जैसे ही मैंने ये सारी बातों को neglect किया, I got the right person in my life.
Yeah.
I got the right house. I stay with him. मैंने कभी जिंदगी में मैंने सोचा था मेरे मॉम डैड मुझे लिव इन रिलेशनशिप के लिए हाँ बोलेंगे, वरना I would, oh my god, you have no idea.
But once you find the best one, like you have that feeling. I mean,
I know, right? And it's not about parents alone. वो तो वरुण ही इतना ज़्यादा cute है. Like I think my dad loves Varun more than me and my brother. He would be his number one fan. He loves him. He adores him so much. He gets him chocolates like a small kid. And I think if parents को यकीन हो जाता है that yeah, you're staying with the right person, even they'll help you out. Even they'll be fine with it. So yeah.
That's awesome. So I mean, your journey has been very inspiring for all of us. I mean, I'll definitely bring up what you guys are doing during the COVID situation, the quarantine thing. But before that, I was so inspired that I need to ask you. Akshita really helped me with on this one, and
Akshita is my best friend.
so you started your career as an HR in the company, and then you moved to as a choreographer. You went on working with at the IPL. You choreographed a lot of people in 2010, and then you end up going for the Navy Mumbai pageant in 2015. Then you went on for a lot of activities. You understand that they were behind. That you went on for the shoot with I think Head and Shoulder, and you went on working with Katrina on the ads, and then you went on winning on the tourism pageant as well. I mean, what kept you that inspired? What made you feel
I am
you
telling you.
drive?
I am telling you. So my parents were super strict. Super strict, like के मुझे स्लीवलेस पहनना अलाउड नहीं था. मैंने 10th स्टैंडर्ड तक, मैंने 12th स्टैंडर्ड तक इनफैक्ट मैंने कभी स्कर्ट्स ही नहीं पहने. I only wore them when I was like in second or third. And Papa was so strict कि वो DDLJ वाला scene पता है where Kajol and the mother is like dancing with songs. जैसे पापा है सब बंद and all. I used to be that scared. I don't know if he was that scary or not, but I used to be that scared.
Sure.
So my dad, thankfully, he understood that she has this dancing talent. तो उन्होंने उस चीज के लिए कभी नहीं रोका मुझे. बाकी सारी चीजें रोकी. ये लड़का कौन है, इससे क्यों बात कर रहे हो, ये कौन है, वो कौन है, स्ट्रिक्ट फोन, ये वो सब चेक होता था. मेरा बॉस, मेरा तो मतलब बैग सब चेक होता था. So I used to be like, oh my god, how will I live like this? But there was one window in my life, that was dance. Dance was my key to freedom. If I'm dancing, he will not ask me who is that guy beside you, who are you dancing with, तेरा actress के साथ चल रहा है, who are you doing, like who are you teaching dance, what are you doing, what are you wearing. There was no restriction in dancing. That was very, I was very confused कि ये क्या चक्कर है यार. So I asked my dad when he got okay, he got fine with me. I asked him कि why did you do this? So he's like, I wanted you to learn the right direction, and now that you've learned it, so his mentality changed when मेरे कुछ क्लास के बच्चे थे, तो उनकी मदर्स कंप्लेन करती थी कि इनको सिर्फ डांस क्लास आना है, इनको पढ़ना नहीं है, एग्जाम्स आ रहे हैं, दे फोर्स मी कि दिव्या मैम की क्लास में जाना है. So what I used to do is I used to tell their mother कि आप एक काम करो, बुक्स भी भेजो. I'll sit with them after class and I'll make them study. तो हम लोग बैठ के फिर मेरी डांसिंग स्टूडियो में हम लोग स्टडीज भी करते थे बच्चों के साथ. So then the parents, they got very happy and they used to come, and एक बार पापा बैठे हुए थे मेरे स्टूडियो में and nobody knew he's my dad, and उनके सामने they just kept on and on, and I was getting awkward. I'm like, oh my god, and they just kept on and on कि हमारी बेटी इतना अच्छा कर रही है, thank you so much, changed her so much. My dad felt, oh my god, now she has grown up, अब मैं इसको छोड़ सकता हूँ, इसको जो करना है. That day and today's day, he has not stopped me for one single thing.
But what made you feel that you need to move ahead? Because every step you took, it's so inspirational that, I mean, I can consider myself, I mean, I took science in high school. No one expected anything out of me. Economics in my undergrad, no one expected out of me. Photography, हाँ भाई छोटा मोटा काम है, चल ठीक है, दुकान नहीं है, and सब है. फिर I started slowly, and then we went on getting a scholarship for my master's in Madrid. I moved to Spain for 3 years. Wow. Traveled, worked there, worked with Rafa Nadal and all. But considering your journey has been on the different path and plus the inspiration path for a lot of people. I mean, I have gone through a lot, and sometimes they feel like, oh shit, ab meko nahi hoga, right? It's so hard. But what made you feel that how important it is to think way above ahead and make it happen?
Yeah, for me, honestly, बताऊं तो I wanted to be happy and successful, no matter what I'm doing. इसीलिए there were so many job changes, so many experiments with where I fit in, what I do. Not many people know. I was 17.
Yeah.
I told my dad. तो हमारे dance classes में यार 700-800 बच्चे होते थे. So we used to make the dance costumes. ठीक है, तो मैं टेलर के पास बैठ के उसके सिर पे बैठ के उस काम करवाती थी. यार आज तो 700 कॉस्ट्यूम बनाने हैं तुझे, बना. I used to sit on his head and make him do the work. And he's like, दीदी आप आ जाते हो, आप बोलते हो कर लूंगा. So once I was just sitting, I'm like looking at the whole cutting and everything. I'm like, yeah, ये interesting है, ये तो मैं कर सकती हूँ. So I just, it happened to be like I just started doing these sample dresses for kids. I used to design and dress and sample किधर इधर उधर से inspiration लेके sample बनाए. I was so good at it that then later on I asked my dad कि please मुझे थोड़े से पैसे दे दो, मुझे boutique खोलना है. He's like, you just 17, boutique or what? I'm like, मैं कपड़े सियूंगी और मैं दुकान बनाऊंगी, वो दुकान में ये होगा वो होगा. You won't believe in why I did that. Not many people know about this. उसका दुकान का नाम था Zodiac. And it was a typical वो shop जो होती ना पुरानी जैसी shops होती थी streets पे. Typical that shop. मेरा schedule होता था 7 o'clock in the college in the morning and 11 o'clock अपनी दुकान पे. दुकान खोलो, झाड़ू पोछा मारो, बिकॉज इतना बजट नहीं होता था तो खुद ही करना पड़ता. झाड़ू पोछा मारो, मैनिक्विन को ड्रेस करो और फिर वो भारी मैनिक्विन उठा के बाहर रखो एंड देन पूरा दिन वेट करो कि एटलीस्ट 1000 की सेल हो जाए. आई वाज गोइंग क्रेजी. मैंने 6 महीने में वो बंद कर दिया. लाइक यार, आई कैन नॉट बी सिटिंग इन वन शॉप एंड वेटिंग to grow and be successful. I need to do something out there. I cannot stay inside. I want to go out there. So ये धीरे धीरे हुआ. I think the inspiring thing was like when my dad, there's this Filmfare award show. वहाँ पे हम लोग टीवी पे देख रहे थे मेरी पूरी फैमिली के साथ. मेरे को याद है शिल्पा शेट्टी का एक परफॉर्मेंस था. मैं वो ठुमके लगा रही थी for around, I don't know, 5-6 minutes. It went very viral. It was very famous. So we were watching that and my dad is like, if you want to become a dancer, I want you to be like her. Munni Badnaam Hui song came out. My dad is like, nobody can dance like Malaika Arora Khan. And I don't do that. I can really do that. And you won't believe, मैंने अपने बच्चों के साथ जो हमारा annual shows होता था उसमें I did Munni Badnaam Hui. My dad was sitting right in the front row. After the performance, I'm like, and I was going that, and they were like, पूरा auditorium भरा हुआ है with 1,000 people, and I'm taking mic, सांस फूट रही है, who dances better, Papa? And then he started laughing. So I always had this thing of, this competition, very subtle competitiveness, but yeah, I wanted to do something.
That's great.
Whatever I had to do, it had to be A1. दुकान चलानी है A1, कोरियोग्राफर बनना है A1. So, it's just that fight.
बहुत ज़्यादा सही है. Like it just feels more natural and then it's like the driven quality, like the quality to succeed, quality to do even better, no matter what that is.
I know. You have done a lot of research, man. A lot of research on me, man. I'm impressed.
Yeah, it's about me, the team and all. We try to make sure that we know the person we haven't met, we haven't talked, and best to know the person so that we can connect on the personal level as well as inspire a lot of people by talking certain things. So.
Right. It really helps, yaar. मेरे से अगर we are so lucky, Varun and I are so lucky that we have so many fan pages, like so many fan pages. So I keep telling them that they want to send gifts. They ask for my address. Didi address do आपका, मैंने आपसे ये लिया वो लिया. I just tell them that if they can do something for the people around them who really need it, I'll be more than happy. So I'm so glad that it's been 3 years. On my birthday, some fan pages, they've been going out, reaching out in ashrams, giving so much of donation and food and cakes and everything. So I was happy that somewhere ये जो मेरा famous थोड़ी सी जो मैं हूँ, अगर वो कहीं use में आ रहा है, तो I think I'll be the luckiest person alive.
You deserve it. Divya. It's been 10 years of your journey. I think no, 2008 to 12 years of journey, and it's not that you turned everything upside down in 1 minute or 1 day or. You took your time, and it just motivates a lot of people that how it's not that you dream of and you get it tomorrow, but you really need to work where you
need to work. देखो कोई लोग मैंने ऐसे भी मिली हूँ अपनी जर्नी में जिनकी इंस्पिरेशन बोल लो या जिनका गोल बोल लो, उनका गोल चांद तक पहुंच. I'm not saying कि तुम पहुंच नहीं सकते, but you need to have that a little reality check in your life. You really need to go where you want to go. Today, if you ask me what do you want to become, what is your goal in the next 5 years?
Yeah.
I would say I want to become someone like Radhika Apte, someone like Kangna Ranaut,
Yeah.
who has done everything on herself, and I'm very sure अगर उनको कभी बड़ी बहन का रोल मिलेगा वो भी करेंगे, माँ का रोल मिलेगा वो भी करेंगे, दादी का रोल मिलेगा वो भी करेंगे. तो I don't have this thing कि I want to be this glamorous actress, दो चार hot numbers हो, मस्त हो ये. I don't expect that. My goal is to be there, and that is the only zone where I think I can be permanent in acting. So yeah, ये सारी चीजें चलती हैं मेरे दिमाग में तो.
That's great. That's great. So this is it's like कि 3 महीने हो गए और plus quarantine का situation है, मतलब सारे लोग they're going through a lot and all, but still you are motivating yourself in a way, motivating yourself to understand that how important it is to think where or where and keep doing it. But that's good. Speaking of quarantine, what you guys been up to?
यार हम वही रेगुलर चीजें कर रहे हैं जो तुम इंस्टाग्राम पे देखते हो, सारी वर्कआउट बोलो, डांस बोलो, मेकिंग वीडियोस, क्लिकिंग पिक्चर्स. अभी थोड़े दिन से मैं थोड़ा सी ब्रेक पे हूँ बिकॉज आई हैव बीन रेनोवेटिंग माय हाउस. This is one interest which not many people know. I love interior designing. I can be on interior designers page for hours and hours scrolling about lamps, shades and ye wo. So I'm doing that right now, so I'm total busy in it. And baki to yaar quarantine mein I think the only thing which is keeping me up is इतने times I've been working. You only said it's a 12-year journey. अभी तक मैं 10 साल ही बोल रही थी, 10 साल, बट अभी तुमने 2000 तो मेरे दिमाग की तो 12 years से मैंने जितना स्ट्रगल किया, I've never got this time to myself, never. तो अभी जो मुझे टाइम मिला, I've just put one socket here to recharge myself mentally, physically, spiritually, and I'm waiting. जैसे ही lockdown पूरी तरह खुलेगा, everything will be done and we'll be back to our normal world. I'm gonna rush with the lightning speed. So yeah.
That's great. That's great. So we're gonna have a small rapid fire round before we start asking you more questions. So tell us what comes on your mind. Like कुछ भी बस जल्दी करना है. Like सोचना नहीं है ज़्यादा.
एक तो लाइव रैपिड इतना डर लगता है ना, बाकी तो चल एडिट हो जाता है. Yes, tell me. I'm ready.
15 takes for that one shot. I remember head and shoulder.
15 takes. You won't believe. वो डायरेक्टर इतना चिढ़ गया था मुझ पे. He would have thrown his chappal on my face. He was so irritated with me and I was so petrified. मैं क्या करूं. He's like थोड़ा ऊपर, थोड़ा ज्यादा हो रहा है, थोड़ा ऊपर. I'm like ये थोड़ा ऊपर, अरे ये बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा है. I don't know. I mean, I couldn't. Experience. Then Katrina Kaif की body double थी for 2 years.
Yeah.
तो उसके जितने भी यार्डली वगैरह के एड्स हैं, वो गर्दन मेरी है, वो हाथ मेरे हैं. देन लक्स के एड्स है उसके, वो लक्स के शोल्डर्स मेरे हैं. एंड देन दीपिका पादुकोण के साथ आई डिड केलॉग्स के का एड. उसकी फ्रेंड बनी थी मैं उसमें. यार वो मेरे पे वो भी बहुत गुस्सा हो गई थी यार, मैं तो मतलब डर गई थी. सो इट हैज बीन वेरी स्कैरी जर्नी एंड आई नेवर यूज्ड टू कम एंड टेल दिस at like घर पे मैं कभी बताती नहीं थी. Anyway, wrap it down. I talk a lot.
Perfect.
Wrap it up.
Okay. So movies.
Art movies.
Yeah, normal. Like what comes in your mind when I say movies?
Different world.
Okay.
The world I want to. Varun?
Varun.
Meri jaan. Everything of my life.
That's great. Family.
Motivation.
Punjab.
Punjab. ओहो पंजाब. I am Punjab. इधर से लेके इधर तक. I am Punjab.
Okay. Dance.
Dance can bring me back. It can bring me back from anywhere.
Awesome. Audience.
My best people.
Interesting. Happiness.
Dream. My biggest dream is to be happy anywhere, every time.
Interesting. Dreams. Speaking of dreams, then what comes on your mind when I say dreams?
Dreams. I just want to be happy यार. मेरी ड्रीम बहुत सिंपल है. आज मुझे पता है अगर मेरा एक्टिंग में कुछ नहीं चला मुझे genuinely बुरा लगेगा, but मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. I'll फटाफट switch back to dancing again, open my studios again. I just need to be happy. That's all I dream for. That's all I wish for. बाकी तो मैं कर लूंगी यार. Life है. I love it.
सही है. So people are asking for the fan page. Your fan pages you hold.
Fan pages.
Yeah.
Fan pages are another family that I've never met, but equally love them so much.
Awesome. And the last one, second last is mental health.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think of?
You're the best doctor for yourself.
Interesting. So the whole program, the outgoing introvert.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
I don't know. I think every person has it. Every person has it. You just need to embrace it and enhance it more. Yeah.
Interesting. That's so cool. I mean, it's such an honest way of expressing, but what I could feel and sense is the word happiness that's going in my head, and that's just driving me to just have a conversation. But again, we have a certain time limit, so I'm just making sure that we have this conversation afterwards about the happiness and the success. But a lot of people
call me after the live and we'll talk for hours. I can talk for hours. Oh God.
Oh, that's great. It's so inspiring. I had Varun before. It's so natural to talk to him. We never had a chat like that kind of conversation, but when you discuss and talk, it just feels so natural. And with you as well, it's just so like it's just going with the flow. It's already 30 minutes. I can't imagine, and we're just discussing about yeah.
Oh my God.
Okay, before people kill me for not asking their questions, so I'll get straight.
Yeah. Please go ahead.
So, okay, the first one is really close to my heart, is distributing pamphlets in the mall to an actor or influencer right now, to working with Katrina. How do you see yourself right now, and are you feel motivated, you are nostalgic, or what do you feel right now?
You'll make me cry. I swear. How do you know about the pamphlets I distributed in the mall? Oh my God. Okay. So I feel great. I feel so good. That I'm so glad that it happened. Sayam, there was a time when I had no money to eat. I was starving for 4 days in a country where I had no idea about. मैं अपने mom dad को बता ही नहीं रही थी that I'm facing some problems here. I was walking on the street and I was walking for miles and miles. I had no money for taxi. Police caught me. Dubai police caught me. They're like, "कहाँ घूम रहे हो इतनी रात को?" And I'm like, "I've been walking since 2 hours. I want to go home." So, and I have no money. So they dropped me in the name of Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan. So I knew I have to go there. They told me, "Where are you from?" I'm like, "From India." "Oh, from India, Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan." They get so happy. Oh my God. वो बात चली. I mean, I have always been striving to get out of a situation. I was looking forward मेरी life कब सही होगी. And उसकी जगह पे then फिर ये pamphlets distribute करना, Katrina का body double. I think I learned a lot. I learned so many things in this process that today I can talk freely about all of this, and I can tell people that, you know, no matter what you do right now, you can actually plan what you have to do in the next 10 years.
Sure.
You cannot, it's not in your hands if you're born in a certain place. But it's definitely in your hands if you die in a certain place.
Yeah.
So that's the thing I always think. Yeah.
That's great. So I mean, a lot of happened between pamphlets, actor, influencer, working with Katrina. But you did your masters and bachelor's in journalism, right?
Yeah.
So
I did not finish my masters. That's a different story because मैं दुबई से भाग के आ गई थी. तो वो पूरा नहीं हो पाया, बट हार्डली उसके 2-3 महीने बचे थे. तो आई स्टिल फील कभी कभी कि मैं जाके कंप्लीट करके आ जाऊं क्या, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है. बट या
interesting. So from journalism to being a dancer, how did it actually happen? I mean, speaking of dancing, you managed to choreograph, like I mentioned, in IPL 2010 and a lot of other events where you happened to work with different co-stars. But how did it happen from journalism to being a dancer?
Yeah, journalism was the only gateway in my life where I can freely be working in media, in advertising, in media, in films. because as I told you, my dad was so strict. He wouldn't allow me in front of the camera. What I thought, as it was what I thought. बचपन में मुझे लगता था कि भाई एक्टर का सपना तो भूल जाओ. Like that's not gonna happen. Your dad's never gonna support you. तो मैंने सोचा फिर क्या ऐसा कर सकते जो टीवी पे हो. And I'm like, यार न्यूज रिपोर्टर यार, बड़ी अच्छी न्यूज रिपोर्टर होती थी. And they used to be all nice suits and all style and the way they used to talk. मैं ये बन सकती हूँ मैं. तो let's do journalism. तो जर्नलिज्म में ये, फिर उसके अंदर और डीपर स्टडी करके मालूम पड़ा कि there's this media world, there's this advertisement world, different world. I wanted to know all of this, take interest in all of this. तो इसलिए जर्नलिज्म तो was a backup plan. मेरे मॉम डैड ने ये बोला कि पढ़ाई अपनी पूरी करो, बाकी तुम्हें साइड में जो करना है करो. You don't want to sleep, you want to dedicate all your time to dancing, we don't mind. IPL भी तुम believe नहीं करोगे, there were like 3,000 dancers around me. I was standing in the middle of the stadium. And I was just 16 years old. And they were dancers. They were like all toru dancers. Not like ऐसे बेचारे आ गए स्कूल से बच्चों को उठा के ले आए करने के लिए, ऐसा नहीं था. They were professional dancers. And I don't know मेरे अंदर कहाँ से हिम्मत आई कि I was on this wireless mic. मैंने पहली बार पहना था. I was walking differently. I was walking differently in the stadium. Like walking, chashma washma laga ke okay, come on, 5, 6, alag confidence, alag. And I was enjoying that confidence. I love to be confident.
That's great. It's so cool, like how I can correlate that confidence back in like what all activities you performed and what all success in coming in shows and stuff. So I can definitely correlate that how it might help you at the age of 16. Like I was struggling badly, number नहीं आते थे स्कूल के अंदर. तो सिर्फ प्रेशर यही रहता था कि कब जाके घर पे बुक दिखानी है.
You know, इस केस में मैं बहुत लकी थी. तो मेरे पापा मुझे बोला, मुझे नहीं चाहिए तेरा 95%, 98%, मुझे कोई मतलब नहीं है, तू पास हो जा, मैं तुझसे पूछूंगा भी नहीं, तू बस पास हो जा. And I'm like, okay, Papa, I'll do that. And I was a very average student, not interested in studies. I was always interested in school. Ke annual days was like the superstar time of my life.
Yeah.
That's like the golden time of every year, where I used to be. अगर मेरे पता नहीं school friends देख रहे होंगे, वो लोग हंसेंगे मुझ पे, because I still take a lot of pride in it when I meet them. So in annual days, I used to be the one conducting all the auditions, performances, talking to teachers about with what songs we can pick. And you know, I used to be so proud कि मैं teacher के बीच में बैठ के ऐसे discuss कर रही हूँ, and they all waiting. तो एक बार मेरे percentage ना पापा ने, मैं बहुत ही lightly ले ली, तो 50 आ गए यार. तो पापा तो चिढ़ गए. मैं लाइक 50 तो नहीं expect कर रहा था, तो 70 के बीच में रहे, मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूँगा, इस बार तो annual day में participate नहीं करेगी. And believe me, the entire school called my dad, principal, teachers, everybody, why are you not allowing? She's the best, she'll do everything. ये वो. तो मैंने छुप के choreograph किया था, but मैंने perform नहीं किया था. So I used to be the star in school in annual days.
I can imagine that. Now I can imagine everything. Now I'm talking to you 100%. But that's great. So what has been your inspiration? I mean, you've met so many people. You've gone through a lot. You have seen people growing, going down, going up. People who want you to see on the top, people who want to see you down, people who want to keep you up with the same motivation. But what is the drive which takes you? Is the books or the people or the family? What is that?
And it's just I think my inspiration is my family. When I see them happy, when I see them proud, be it because of me, be it because of my brother, I think that gives me a lot of happiness. I recently gifted mom a phone, and मेरे भाई ने मुझे वो video भेजा, and she just started crying, and then she had this surprise दिया. मैंने उनको that video I did not share because obviously some things are very personal. I'm that way. I'm very sorted with personal and professional life. But that video is so beautiful, and the way she cried, I mean, that happiness gave me so much. I'm like, और काम करना, so that I can gift her more and more things. I can gift my dad more and more things. So yeah, this keeps me on. छोटी things keep me on. Not many big. Inspiration, yeah. I'll honestly tell you, I cannot have one person as my inspiration because no human is perfect. Honestly.
Yeah.
तुम में खराबियां भी होती हैं, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि खराबी नहीं, मुझ में भी है, काफी है, आई कैन नेम देम, लाइक बहुत है, पर आई थिंक माई इंस्पिरेशन चेंजेस फ्रॉम प्लेस टू प्लेस, टाइम टू टाइम, person to person. My inspiration can be a tree also.
Sure.
Like I just figure out. I go to Punjab, I go to my pind. Everywhere I go, I see people are so happy and content. They are so content in their life. They don't care what is Pizza Hut, what is Domino's. All they care is आज आलू आए नहीं, आलू के पराठे बनाने. So all of these small things ना, they keep me connected. कि यार life कैसी भी हो जीनी है. It's life is a struggle, and I'm very well taken it. कितना कितना प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी लाइफ में, क्या हो जाएगा, ब्रिंग इट ऑन. आई एम ऑल सेट एंड रेडी टू डू इट.
Great, Divya. I mean, it's just more good to know everything. And but any funny moment or any moment where you find like working with roadies as like you were there for a lot of time, and then for Ace of Space that you won, and where you see that there's something different from what we see and what you experience and stuff. Would you like to have any experience like that?
यार रियलिटी शोज पे तो मतलब ऑनेस्टली जितना मैंने एक पब्लिक फिगर होने के बाद सीखा है, दैट हैज एक्चुअली चेंज्ड माय लाइफ. लाइक अब तक तो मैं ठीक है, काम ये वो एक्साइटमेंट एवरीथिंग फाइन, बट हाउ वुड पीपल फील, हाउ वुड व्हाट कैन ऑफेंड पीपल. आई स्टार्टेड स्टडीइंग ह्यूमन बिहेवियर एंड नेचर मोर. I started feeling people more, and being a celebrity एक वो sense of responsibility आ जाती है कि तुम आज कुछ भी बोलोगे, क्या पता उसमें से अगर 5 लोगों ने भी follow कर लिया और अगर तुमने कुछ गलत बोल दिया, it can screw their life up, and I cannot take that blame. So I started educating myself कि बाबा what is right, what is wrong. मैंने भी अपने reality shows में बहुत बकवास की है. In my first reality show, I had no idea. I was just raw. एंड जो हमारे नॉर्म्स चलते आ रहे हैं इतने टाइम से, वो सब दिमाग में थे, किसी को भी कुछ भी बोल दो. बट नाउ व्हेन आई लुक बैक, आई एम लाइक, ओ माय गॉड, व्हाट वाज आई. यू नो, इन सिंस पास्ट 3 years I've been training myself, I've been training people around me. मॉम को मैंने कितना समझाया, डैड को मैंने कितना समझाया, ऐसे नहीं बोलते ऐसे लोगों को, ये नहीं करते ऐसे लोगों को, वो नहीं करते ऐसे लोगों को. आई थिंक दैट हैज चेंज्ड अ लॉट.
That's great.
Yeah, what you see right now is so groomed. So groomed. I just want to tell my followers, all the people who are watching, that yeah, it's okay, you know, it's okay if you make mistakes. Humans make mistakes, but the best part is if you accept it and you move on, you learn something out of it. So yeah, that's the key to life.
But you understand that how important it is to update yourself. I mean, I've seen a lot of influencers, a lot of people who are just spreading out the message. Like Varun, I saw his the post today, and I was kind of driven away by what he's saying is actually true. I've seen it myself, and I've worked with a lot of influencers in the past. But what you guys are doing is to educate yourself in a way that you can serve back to your million followers, people who follow you. That's what he told me, that it's very important that whatever you said can be picked up in a negative way or in a critic way or in a different way, which can backfire you. But you can do that, but a lot of people try to come up with such things.
Yeah, and I think यार थोड़ी बहुत influencers की गलती अगर हम लोग बोले, थोड़ी बहुत audience की भी गलती है. They should really know the difference between a person whom they want to be inspired with and the person who they just enjoy.
Correct.
You know, some influencers, I'm okay if they are famous and you know people are enjoying their content, great. Correct. Very well. But when it comes to public speaking, when it comes to talking in front of people, when it comes to inspiring people, I think they should not listen to some people. They should not follow them. They should just watch their content and ignore. आजकल अगर कोई गलत content भी डाल रहा है ना, तो उसको इतनी bashing होती है. Where if you see, I've stopped bashing people जब तक बहुत ज़्यादा direct ना हो, जब तक बहुत ज़्यादा important ना हो. I don't bash. You never know यार. I mean, कोई क्या किधर से क्या गुजर रहा है, एंड यू नेवर नो उसके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है, एंड दैट पर्सन इज मेकिंग सच वीडियोस, क्या दिमाग में रख के ऐसे वीडियोस बना रहा है, सोच रहा है कि वायरल हो जाएगा शायद, या सोच रहा है कि बेचारे को एक्वेंटेंस मिल जाएगी. आई थिंक मैं तब बोलूंगी जब पानी इधर से ऊपर चला जाता है. आई ऑलवेज वेट फॉर दैट टाइम. तब तक आई वांट पीपल ओनली टू बी अ लिटिल सेंसिबल ना यार. इन्फ्लुएंसर्स तो ऐसे दिन में 100 आ रहे हैं आज की डेट में. देयर आर 100 इन्फ्लुएंसर्स कमिंग अप. everybody wants to talk, everybody wants to give speeches, we all want to educate people, but I think it's us. We all need to know who's right, who's wrong. I was so inspired by Kangana Ranaut's video today. Yeah. She has spoken marvelously. I mean, that woman has guts, and that is somewhere I aim. Like, yeah, she is the one I love, for sure. Great. You need to select as an audience.
Sure. Okay, good. So let's have something fun. So the fun part is that understanding that you and Varun live together, and you have both of you have different activities going on. But how well do you appreciate each other, or try to make sure you get better with each other?
Yeah, I've never had this relationship where I'm giving 24/7. Honestly, I mean, I'm a little shocked by how it is going, but I'm also so happy that he's a gamer. It is so nice to be with a gamer, man. He is playing games maybe 6 to 7 hours a day. Okay, and I get all the time to do. Like when I am working, or probably I'm reading a book, I don't want any disturbance. I don't want any interfering. I need my space. I'm a person with, if I'm sitting with you for 2 hours, I'll be like full into you. But when I'm alone, I want to be alone. Then I won't even answer calls. And it's mine. So I get a lot of my time. I'm very happy. Abhi he's playing games outside.
But last time I think जब वरुण से बात करी थी तो उसने एक बहुत सही चीज बोली थी कि how he has grown with you, like in a very positive way, that how you have inspired Varun in a lot of ways, and which I found it very interesting, that how someone can lead you or help you and assist you to move forward. And right. The way he was telling and this express kar raha tha, it shows the difference you're making in his life with things. So it was, for me, it was very important to know the appreciation that goes, it always like you clap with both the hands, not just one hand. Right. It's just like more motivation, and plus how you keep on motivating and doing things, and also making sure that you maintain the difference between the personal life and the work life. So
right.
For me, it's kind of more. So that's why it's very important.
I'll tell you one thing. Varun must have learned a lot of things from me, but I have secretly learned so many things from him. I can't even tell you. Like I am a person जो जल्दी मानती नहीं है कि मैं गलत हूँ. I have this thing. I'll tell you, this. As I was telling you that nobody's perfect. I'm a person जो अपनी गलती ज़्यादा जल्दी मानती नहीं है. And even if I realize it, I'll sit in the corner and cry and not talk about it. कि क्यों गलत हुआ, क्या गलत हुआ, I could have improved ये वो. Varun is the person who will pull me from that space so badly. I come out, I rant everything, and then he's like, now you're fine. And I'm like, yeah, thank you. And then he'll be like, I'm sorry. And I'm like, no, you win when you say sorry. You win. That's not right. So Varun is a person I have to learn from him, that he bends it. उसमें ego बिल्कुल नहीं है. I have a little ego. उसमें नहीं है. तो मैंने उससे सीखा है how, you have to just be fine in life, and he has actually made me a lot more sensible. There was no balance, but Varun के आने से वो balance proper हुआ है. So yeah. We both.
That's great. Yeah. So I have like another one. So where do you think you had the turning point in your life?
My first reality show. I think even though I have one Indian princess, that's Miss India, and even I have represented my country, there were not many people who knew me to support me more. आज की डेट में अगर कोई मैं international pageant जाऊँ, तो I know there are people who love me so much, they'll get me to some position, or there'll be a lot of more excitement. But उस time पे ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था. And Splitsvilla was such a random call on my Instagram. And there's this person from the production, they messaged me. I first thought it's fake. I really thought it's fake. But then I went to the office, they spoke to me, and they were all charged up to have me on the show. And I'm like, okay, cool. And I just went with the flow without thinking. And just a day before, like, कल अगर मुझे show पे जाना है, मैं बोला यार मैं देख तो लूँ क्या है show. मुझे पता भी नहीं था. I knew there's this show called Splitsvilla, but what happens inside, what are the games, what is happening, I have no idea. Okay, so I saw Varun's season because मेरे से पहले वरुण का I saw his season. I'm seeing him with Martina, and I'm like, hey, ये सब करना पड़ेगा, मतलब ये सब होगा. So I still remember Splitsvilla जाने से 2 दिन पहले I told MTV that I don't want to come for this show because मेरे friends, मेरे family ने बोला, hey, Splitsvilla ऐसा शो है, उसमें पार्टनर्स बनाने पड़ते हैं, उसमें टास्क होते हैं, बड़े बलगल से टास्क होते हैं, तू पागल है, क्या कर रही तू? You're not at all a person like that. I'm like, oh my god, I'm screwed. I'm so screwed. Then I watched Varun's season. Then उस पे देखा मैंने वो पेट पे कुछ तो वो बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स बना रहे हैं, जेंगा मेंगा खेल रहे हैं. मैंने बोला, हाय, मेरे पेट पे कोई जेंगा नहीं खेलेगा यार, मेरे को नहीं करना है, ठीक है? So I called up MTV. I'm like, listen, I'm not coming, okay? They said, you can't do this. You have to come to office and meet us. So I went there and I'm like sitting. They're like, what is your problem? I'm like, if I don't like any guy, you will not force me to be with any guy. They're like, we don't tell you to do anything. You do what you want to do. And तू नहीं कोई लड़की को सिलेक्ट करेगी तो नहीं आगे जाएगी. As simple as that. Be prepared to go out in the first episode. I'm like, I'm not gonna wear bikini because पापा देख रहे हैं ना यार. I'm not gonna wear bikini. They're like, हाँ, up to you. Other girls will wear. They look good. You know, if you want to wear, you can carry one. Maybe वहाँ जाके मन करे. And I know I'll not wear. I'm like, okay, cool. Then free में किया था मैंने Splitsvilla. Free में ही करते हैं सारे. तो मैंने बोला मुझे इसके लिए पैसे चाहिए. 30 days का शूट है, मैं तो पैसे. अच्छा कितना? मैं बोला they're like 30,000, 40,000. अभी इज्जत भी है ना यार थोड़ी, like ऐसे थोड़ा ना, like छोटी मोटी था, ऐसे थोड़ा ना यार. तो मैंने बोला नहीं यार, मतलब बोलते अरे हमारी अकाउंट्स टीम तुमसे बात कर लेगी. नहीं, ये तो यार एटीट्यूड हो गया. मैं बोला अच्छा छोड़ा, नहीं चाहिए मुझे पैसे, क्या कर लूंगी, 30,000 नहीं चाहिए मुझे पैसे, बट मेरे ये सब कंडीशन है. They're like, all up to you. You just have to be yourself. I'm like, हाँ फिर ठीक है. और वहां पे पहली लड़की जो ये प्यार व्यार के चक्कर में पड़ी थी उसमें, अरे अलग ही मैजिक है यार शो में. यू फील लाइक यू आर इन अ फेरी लैंड. एंड पता है तुम्हारे ऐसे वीडियोस ऐसे रिकॉर्ड हो रहे हैं एंड यू फील लाइक ओ माय गॉड तुम किसी करण जौहर की मूवी में और तुम जेन्युइनली प्यार एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो एंड जेन्युइन चीजें हो रही है. It is a beautiful feeling. It's good to be a part of a show like that.
That's great. That's good. It's good to hear the back end story. This inspires a lot of people.
It's an opportunity. Just I'm trying to tell you. You never do that. Don't throw tantrums like me. No.
But no, interesting. But it's just so cool that this is a very personal question from me because I've experienced that working in India. For a lot of like fashion shows for 5 years, worked in Delhi, Mumbai, and then worked in LA, New York, Milan, Paris. So same from you, that how important it is to do projects in India, sure, but also when you worked outside, the difference you saw, one, and second, how important it is to understand what happens outside India as well, so that you can learn and you can get back the same thing to India.
Right.
So what do you think that how important it is that we should look for that, or we should just stick to what our roots are, or how?
See, you no matter anywhere in this world you go, if some place is inspiring you and you feel like working there makes you happy, you go ahead. But you'll always be an Indian by heart, यार. हिंदुस्तानी हो तुम रहोगे दिल से हमेशा, कहीं पे भी जाओगे. And बाहर के हिंदुस्तानियों का ना मजा अलग है. It is so much better. I'll tell you, मैं जब अपने Canadian University of Dubai में थी, मैं दुबई के कॉलेज में, तब वहाँ पे ना दिवाली फंक्शन. So all these foreigners are like Diwali party, and they're all crazy, okay? And then they saw these vada pav, ठीक है? Oh my god, Indian burgers. I'm like, okay, cool. तो ये सारे और जब मैं उनको कल्चर एक्सप्लेन कर रही थी, तो मुझे मेरे कॉलेज की कमिटी बोर्ड ने बोला कि वी आर डूइंग दिस. तो हमारे कॉलेज में हमेशा न्यूज़लेटर्स और शोज, हमारे टॉक शोज कॉलेज में चलते थे. तो उस टॉक शो पे मुझे बुलाया. दैट वाज माय फर्स्ट टॉक शो इन द कॉलेज. सेटअप यार, क्या सेटअप. तो वहां पे गई, मैं बैठी एंड मुझे उन्होंने दिवाली के बारे में इतने क्वेश्चंस पूछे. एंड व्हेन आई वाज शेयरिंग इट विद देम, they got so excited, they were so happy, and I was so ready and so happy to share my culture कि मैंने literally अपने पूरे कॉलेज में अपनी टीम को साड़ियाँ, घाघरा चोली जो भी मैं लेकर गई थी सारे बांटे हैं. And it was amazing to share that with them. And हम बाहर Indians, Pakistanis, Sri Lankans, Bangladeshis, all of these neighboring countries ना, वो सब हिंदी speaking crowd होता है, सबको हिंदी आती, थोड़ी बहुत different होती है, तो हमारा एक अलग ही group होता है यार. तो I think that was an eye opener for me when it comes to all these country politics, which I'm so against. And जब मेरे friends, मैं यही देखती हूँ ना, मैं यार आज I totally avoid news that brings in religion. I totally avoid news that brings in some category. बिकॉज आई नो कि मेरे आसपास जितने मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं और वो जो भी कैटेगरी में बिलोंग करते हैं लोगों के हिसाब से, वो सब तो मेरे साथ सही हैं. उनका तो दिमाग खराब नहीं है, उनके और मेरे थॉट्स काफी मिलते जुलते हैं. इवन दे वांट पीस, इवन वी वांट पीस. तो बाहर जाके ये सारी चीजें बहुत क्लियर हुई. I've read Islamic law, I've studied Islamic law. हमें तो कंपलसरी होता था. I know how to read and write in Arabic. I understand their religion much. So a lot of eye-opening things in Dubai I've got, and I'm so glad. So yeah.
It's very important. Yeah,
मैं अपने बच्चे को भी बाहर भेजूंगी मैं. हाँ, मतलब एटलीस्ट 6 months का ऐसे छोटा सा कोई कोर्स करके आओ कहीं से. It teaches you a lot, यार, and you enjoy, you know.
Yeah, definitely. I miss being in Madrid. I mean, Madrid has changed me drastically. Like मैं भी हमारे की classes में जाता था, and you need to compete with 12 other European people. And उसके बाद अब पता चला कि यार Fashion Week चल रहा है, तो first time apply से मना कर दिया कि भाई नहीं ऐसे कुछ नहीं कर सकता. तो मैंने ठीक है, मैंने न्यूज़पेपर एंड ऑल से जुगाड़ लगा के फिर डॉक्यूमेंट्स भिजवाए. तो कह रहे ऐसे भी नहीं होता. तो मैंने कहा यार एक चीज सिखाई थी मम्मा ने कि यार अगर कुछ ना मिले ना सीधा पहुंच जाओ वहां पे और कह दो ये हो बस, ये चीज है, क्या होगा, घर आ जाओगे ना वापस, होगा क्या एट द एंड. तो मैं अपने सारे ना मीडिया बैच एंड ऑल दिल्ली से, पेरिस से, न्यूयॉर्क से सब ले गया. मैंने कहा यार ये मेरे पास 15 बैचेस थे जिनमें मैंने फैशन वीक कवर किया. तो मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा, मैं फैशन फोटोग्राफर. तो उसने मैं सिर्फ एक दिन के 3 फैशन डिजाइनर्स के पास दूंगा तुमको. मैंने कहा ठीक है, कोई प्रॉब्लम की बात नहीं है. So that way I get to it, and
so you must be knowing people from India Beach Fashion Week, Goa.
Yeah.
You know them?
Yeah.
Oh God, the owners are very good friends, and trust me, I didn't have a model type of body in 2015. I still don't have because I love eating, but yeah, tabhi bhi. But I wanted to walk the ramp. I walked IFW 2015, I guess.
That's great.
And मेरा ये जिद और confidence देख के ना, this owner Pallav Ojha, he's like, चल तू walk कर ले यार, तू walk कर ले. And like, हाँ, cool. So I walked the ramp, and ramp is a different rush, यार. बड़ा मजा आता है.
वो feeling
is a different rush.
So your YouTube channel has been doing tremendously well. What are your future plans for it as we can't travel right now?
Yeah, YouTube channel is honestly for those audiences who always wants to see Varun and I as a pair everywhere. Because obviously with Ragini we got lucky. हम दोनों कास्ट हो गए साथ में. पर बाकी प्रोजेक्ट्स में we cannot guarantee कोई कहाँ कास्ट होगा, कोई कहाँ कास्ट होगा. And हमारी फैंस जो फैन बेस है, they love us so much that they literally can't wait for us to come together again and then again. So we are not waiting for production houses or production people to cast us together. So we thought of doing this channel where people have a closer look on our lives. They will know more about us, and as a couple also we want to inspire people to not be one of those couples जो बहुत time pass करते हैं यार. आज के couples यार बहुत time pass करते हैं life में. They have nothing to do. They keep calling each other. They keep irritating each other. And we keep discussing with our people.
Yeah.
Their relationship is actually to grow. And if stressed and tired all day, I want to come into his arms and I want to feel like home. So that's what a relationship should do. So through our channel, we want to really tell people how relationships should be, how friendships should be. So yeah, it's for that.
So I didn't ask you about your team. So back-end team, like it's very important when I feel working anywhere in the world or working in the Bound team as well.
Yeah.
Because we grow, that we have a beautiful team in the back end who are working really hard. So if you can tell us more about your team.
Yeah, my team. My manager, my friend, my uh, my guardian, I would say. She's elder to me, and her name is Isha Butcher. I don't know, Isha, if you're listening this, but yeah, this is the first time somebody has asked me about my crew, and I'm really respecting you for that, Sayam. Thank you so much for asking about them. Uh, Isha is a person, she really organizes stuff for me. If I tell her that, Isha, I want to do something around this topic, I want to do something around this content, she will go her way out and help me out. Then there's Ikshit, who does most of our videos, be it shooting them, editing them, making our creative things for me and Varun. So they are always there. And my friend Abhishek Singh, I know him also. I know him since 13 years. So मेरे जितने best friends हैं, जितने भी मेरे friends हैं, I know them since 12 years, 13 years, and they have the same ideology of working hard and getting somewhere slow and steady. So we all keep helping each other. So yeah, the team, I would say, they always come up with ideas. They always tell us, you should do this, you should do that. So Abhishek is the one who will help us in direction थोड़ा बहुत. ये कर लेते, थोड़ा editing में ध्यान देते. So yeah, all of these things we do. We're not a very big team. We are just 3 people apart from Varun and I. Like Varun, I, and then 3 people. Yeah.
That's great. I mean, because that's what drives you, the people who motivate you and come up with certain new things and all. कि आज ये करते हैं, आज ये करना चाहिए हमको.
Very
so
true.
It helps to grow. That because you guys are always busy. Like I mean, busy in a positive way that you are looking up to something, the level where you have to make, you have commitment.
Obviously अभी YouTube और Instagram हमारा जो है, कई बार मैं तो Instagram पे ध्यान भी नहीं दे पाती हूँ इतना, पर YouTube पे भी इतना ध्यान नहीं दे पाती हूँ, because I look for work which involves more number of people, because they are looking for, जैसे Ragini, for example, Ragini जब हो रहा था, I did not entertain any type of personal work or any type of Instagram or YouTube work, because I know that there are like 200 people on the set expecting something out of me. And if I don't do well, I am screwed.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's why I used to always think कि वो काम पहले कर लो. But Isha, Abby, Ikshit, they were kind enough to still push me and take me out and make me do some stuff for our channels. So yeah, they have helped me a lot.
High five to your team. Awesome. So any upcoming projects, Divya?
Yeah, there is one web series in pipeline. I can't talk about it as usual, but yeah, that is somewhere I'm really looking forward. पता नहीं, देखते हैं यार, उसमें काफी इंटरेस्टिंग कैरेक्टर है मेरा और काफी challenges हैं, और that character has a lot of potential to come into the eyes of great audience, like great audience and great writers and great directors. That character has that potential to grab eyes. So I think that's going to be a blockbuster thing for me. I don't know how far it'll go, but I'm expecting it to be that far. But let's see. After this lockdown, they'll start shooting again. I've shot some days with them. अभी और थोड़ा बाकी है, तो वो complete करेंगे after.
Fingers crossed, and all the best for all the upcoming shows, Divya.
Yeah, thank you.
With that motivation, that happiness, and the vision you hold, I don't see any time you going through. I mean, if there's where we all are friends, family, and stuff to support, but we'll always love you for the work you do, and plus how you motivate and inspire a lot of people. So guys, everyone joining in who have joined in, please go ahead and look for all the videos, for all the work, and especially guys, if you haven't watched her TEDx talk, do watch that, because to be very honest, Divya, after yesterday, I was planning to not go live today, but I was asking some other team to go ahead and take it. But when I saw that live video of your TEDx thing, it was so inspiring and so touching that I have to stand up and talk about things which I've always thought that I need to.
Thank you so much.
It's guys, everyone, you need to go on her YouTube and see the TEDx video. It's very inspiring, back from 2018, where she discussed a lot of things, very inspiring things. And plus, if you have anything for us, we would love to take on all the questions.
Yes, yes, yeah. I don't mind actually having live sessions with you on monthly basis where we can tell people about what's going wrong. I mean,
Correct.
I really don't believe in the ideology of talking talking about your problems to others.
Yeah.
I feel you sit with yourself and figure out what you want in life. You sit yourself and figure out. So there were times ऐसे नहीं बोलूंगी कि I've been always strong. I still
Sure.
have marks of not being strong.
Sure.
Everyone, like most of the people, they tried this stunt drama in their life. But at that time, I only had this one thing: okay, if I do this and if I'm gone, what will my parents will have this question forever. What went wrong that we couldn't talk to us? What went wrong that we couldn't help her?
Yeah.
Financially, my parents were very well okay, like middle class family, okay to do अच्छा खाना, अच्छा पहनना. But what went wrong, we don't know. So this was an attempt, which was a stupid attempt when I was in depression in Dubai. जब मैं भाग के आई थी वहां से, सब कुछ खत्म हो गया, कुछ भी नहीं होगा, मेरी जॉब छूट गई थी वहां पे. एंड जॉब छूटने की वजह से then everything went messy. So yeah, so don't try to do this. This is stupid. And now I know why I had to come back to Bombay रातों रात. Because that time when I went to Dubai, I'm like, अब मेरी दुबई में ही लाइफ होगी, पैसा होगा, जॉब होगी, होगा वो होगा. एंड वहां पे मैं भी फरारी लेके घूमूंगी यार. मेरे कॉलेज में बैट मोबाइल घूमती थी यार, बैट मोबाइल एकदम घूमती थी यार. एंड आई एम लाइक व्हाट द हेल, फरारी लैम्बोर्गिनी ऐसे घूमती थी. आई एम लाइक मेरी भी होगी, ये होगी, वो होगी. I was literally, I ran away from that place and came to Bombay. Now I know why. So whatever happens in your life happens for good is what I've always believed. And people who are thinking of such stupid ideas of ending, you live in a world where there are people connected to you, and especially influencers and celebrities. If you're watching this, in a way, you give out a lot of messages to your fans.
Sure.
So I would never want somebody to give out a message like this. And therapy is always okay.
Yeah.
Always okay. एक तो प्रॉब्लम ये है, इंडिया में बोलोगे तुम थेरेपिस्ट के पास जा रहे हो तो बोलते पागल हो. हाँ, आई मीन आई डोंट नो. बाहर मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं जो एलए वगैरह में रहते हैं, उनकी कैट बीमार होती है ना तो भी वो थेरेपिस्ट के पास जाते हैं.
Yeah. I know.
करूं. So it's okay to have these kind of opinions in your life and go ahead. कोई पागल बोलता है तो बोलने दो.
नहीं बहुत सही था. तभी द होल प्रोग्राम जो हमने ऑर्गेनाइज किया, तो एक छोटा सा आइडिया था मेरा कि यार कि सारे आर्टिस्ट अगर एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे आ जाए एंड सिर्फ उनकी कुछ बातों से अगर कुछ लोग इंस्पायर हुए, क्योंकि मैं बहुत पढ़ता हूँ तो पुरानी बातें जो 2008-9 के अंदर रिसेशन आया था, तो काफी लोग मरे थे और काफी लोग ने सुसाइड किया था और काफी लोग इफेक्ट हुए थे, नॉट बिकॉज उनके पास जॉब नहीं थी बट बिकॉज उनको रिसेशन हिट कर गया था. तो मैंने कहा मैं सेम गलती नहीं होने दूंगा. सो आई हैव टू कम अप विद अ प्लान और अ मूवमेंट where I have to have all the artists on one platform and to discuss and motivate people around. I mean, like you mentioned, the happiness is for you. For me, satisfaction. Like if I'm sleeping and if I'm satisfied of what I did during the day, if I made an impact or to serve back, I'm the happiest. Like considering we same the middle class family and a lot of things happen in
Same,
the
bro. Same. Yeah. I can totally relate. So that's what I keep telling my fan pages also. If you have dreams, just embrace it. Don't be desperate. Like
Sure.
there's this very thin line between. I don't want that for you all. I had a lot of shortcuts, options in my life, in my career, but I chose to be a little hard enough कि मैं आगे तक अपने आप को पुल कर सकूं. There's this old saying ना, सोने को भी काफी गर्म होना पड़ता है to come in shape. And also I used to believe in all those things that I was thinking कि ये struggle मेरी life थी. तो struggle अच्छी बात है. Keep doing it.
Right. सही है. So for this as well, we're coming up with another program which is like apertura, which is like a Spanish word which says opening. And
Okay.
we are getting 5 world's best photographer on platform. And so it's very cheap and stuff. हम उसको बहुत सस्ता, like कुछ 1000 रुपए तक हम फीस रखते हैं एक बंदे के लिए. And उसमें जो भी जितना भी profit है, like 100% profit, we are giving back to the artist community.
Oh.
So
Wow.
small things where we can make an impact, and हम हर रोज मैसेजेस रिसीव करते कि यार कि हम क्या करें, लाइक हम अपना फोटोग्राफी छोड़ दें या हम ये काम करना छोड़ दें क्योंकि पापा कह रहे हैं पैसे चाहिए, मम्मा कह रही है पैसे चाहिए, जॉब कर ले. So we thought it's our time right now not to think of money but think of serving back. So we just thought to have this program Apertura which gonna be live in the first week of July. So let's hope and let's see if we are coming up.
Yeah, please count me in. You can call me anytime.
Sure.
Of this, please.
Yeah.
I'm glad that at least what I can give you is my social media is always open for you to spread awareness. Anytime you tell me, Divya, I want you to spread this, I'll do that for you. And let me know, yeah. I'm into this. I'm always up to help people. So please let me know.
But thank you so much. But if you have any question for us, any question for me, any question for the people, you want to say hi to everyone or stuff, that we are more than welcome before.
Yeah, so I think your club is doing great. It's not just the name which is different, but also what you're doing is quite nice. And thankfully, you guys are picking up people where people can be really inspired of. It's not just because they are famous on some platform, or not because they are just loved by people.
Sure.
I'm glad that you're picking up people where people can actually learn something from them. So I like this initiative of yours, and please always keep this quality maintained. Like really, it doesn't have to be a celebrity. It can be anybody who talks well, whom you know, who you think can guide people well. Because India really, I feel really bad when I see Indians commenting on something and not appreciating and being so intolerant of things. I don't get them. So yeah, you are doing. So you and your team, I would love to meet them sure after this lockdown.
Sure.
Wherever you guys are, whenever I'll come, I'll meet you all.
Love to. But thank you for all the inspiration, for all the for all the hard work. We wish you all the success and happiness. And but let's connect someday, and then that would be happy to know what's your vision like.
Please take my number from Akshita. You're always welcome.
Sure. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much, Divya. Thank you so much.
Thank you. This is a very good thing, and तुम्हें बहुत सेम है यार, तुम मुझे सुन सकते हो घंटों. I'm glad.
Journey in itself, motivation. I'm driven away. Like I told you, right? मेरे को नहीं आना था आज के live session में because मैं थोड़ा सा तो recover करने में. But that video changed the whole perception. I mean, trust me. Like it just why like कि मेरे को जाना ही, and you were inspiration, and I definitely thought you would make an impact. Like Dil se.
Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. This is all I wanted to hear about. Thank you so much.
Yeah, take care, Divya. Have a good night and say hi to everyone. Bye-bye.
Yeah, oh, bye.